Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When your project calls for the deep cleaning of carpets, we offer the carpet cleaner from Karcher. Its 4-gallon capacity, 25-foot power cord, and adjustable height handles make this carpet cleaner ideal for your project. As with the operation of any equipment, there are important safety guidelines to follow. Before using the unit, make sure you fully understand the controls and how to use this machine. It's always a good idea to wear hearing protection when operating any power equipment. To reduce the risk of electric shock, use a 120-volt properly grounded outlet. This unit can only be used indoors, and you'll need to use non-foaming detergents that are designed for cleaning carpet. To get started, make sure to vacuum and remove all surface debris from the area you're cleaning. Next, you'll need to fill the solution tank. To do so, release the dome clamp and lift the recovery tank off the unit. Fill the solution tank with hot water. This water should be no warmer than 140 degrees. Add a non-foaming concentrate in the proportions noted on the manufacturer's container. Consult the operator's manual for more information on approved chemicals. Replace the recovery tank back on the machine. Place the dome on the recovery tank, making sure the dome is seated correctly to ensure a proper seal. Clamp the dome securely to the recovery tank. Now, plug in the power cord to a properly grounded outlet. Turn the machine on by pressing the switch to normal operation mode. Then, pull straight back without pressing down on the handle. The self-adjusting brush will adjust to the perfect position for your carpet. Press the solution spray button while pulling back to apply cleaning solution to your carpet. Release the button and make another pass to extract the solution. Make sure to empty the recovery tank when it's 3/4 full. If the recovery tank overfills, the water will drain back onto the carpet. To use an accessory tool, turn the machine off and disconnect the vacuum hose at the dome. Insert the accessory hose cuff into the dome. Be sure there's a tight fit and the dome is clamped to the recovery tank. Attach the solution hose from the accessory tool to the brass solution fitting on the back of the machine. Turn the switch to the accessory position. Application of the cleaning solution is now controlled by the lever on the accessory tool. When you're finished using the carpet cleaner, switch the machine off and unplug the machine from the outlet. Ventilate the area you cleaned. Carpet blowers are available in your rental center for quicker dry time. When you're ready to return the tool to the rental center, be sure to properly clean it. To do so, empty the recovery tank and rinse with clean water until no suds appear. Disconnect the solution hose and let any unused solution drain from the tank. Rinse with clean water until no suds appear. Add 1 to 2 gallons of hot, clean water to the solution tank and squeeze the button on the handle to flush the pumping system. Be sure to rinse the accessory tool as well. Make sure you empty all water from the tanks before returning. Check for and remove any lint or debris from around the brush and vac shoe. Replace the recovery tank and wipe down the cleaner with a rag. Properly secure the unit upright in your vehicle for transport. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rental to learn more about the best tools for your next project.